Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is from the company Idealist. They are hiring a community support associate, which is just their way of saying a customer service representative. The links to this page, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. Do not let some of these words on this page fool you. When you get to this page, you'll click read more about this job, and it'll open up and give a better description of the job. Now, the company Idealist supports individuals and organizations that want to make a difference by bringing them all together on their website, idealist.org. From there, organizations all over the world can post their jobs, internships, volunteer opportunities, and connect individuals. So it's like a job recruiting website. But they are hiring a community support associate to support the organizations and the individuals that use the website by providing customer support and technical support while managing online content posted by their site's users. So this position is going to call for you to be empathetic and understanding to how people use the website and internet and how they have trouble using it. The basis of the job is responding compassionately and effectively to a high daily volume of phone and email inquiries from organizations and individuals who need help using the website. You'll review and approve new organization applications from nonprofits, government agencies, and social enterprises. You'll also make sure that Idealist is a safe and productive place for users by reviewing the content that is posted on the website, making sure it is sticking to the community policies and guidelines. You'll also update and maintain help pages, documentation as needed. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years supporting clients or customers in a patient-friendly or effective manner, either in person or on the phone. So your customer service can be like waiting tables or working in retail. It does not have to be in a call center environment. They're looking for someone who has great communication skills, the ability to stay focused, be detail-oriented, and comfortable working independently as well as in a team, but no college degree is actually required. Now, this is a full-time job. They're looking for someone to start by April 3rd. The application deadline is February 14th, so if you're interested in this position, get those applications in. They are paying fairly well for a customer service job. They're paying anywhere from $26.44 an hour all the way up to $28.45 an hour. And of course, this is 100% remote. I don't know why on the side it mentions a hybrid on the sidebar, but it says that it is fully remote from any U.S. location, so they don't have any state restrictions. Of course, they offer for you to use their New York City office if you are there, but otherwise it's completely remote. They also offer a benefit package, including health, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k, all of the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for or any suggestions that you have for this channel, anything you want me to look into, any companies that you want me to look into. I try to mix it up, but I can take any suggestions are welcome. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.